Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Mon. It is almost a quarter after 7. I'm at the Trailhead at Westside Road on the way up to Klapatche Park. If you watched my last video, I attempted to hike to Klapatche Park from the same spot to go camp for the night. My pack was 32 pounds plus, and needless to say, if you watch the video, I didn't make it there. So 1 week later, I'm doing something different. Still, I'm gonna head to Klapatche Park, and this time it's gonna be a day hike. So it's expected about 22 miles round trip. So please come along and enjoy today's vlog. So far it's been a mile in. I had to go back and forth to my car at the beginning because I forgot my trekking poles. I don't think I need them, but it's gonna be a long day, so I don't know what's ahead in terms of my ability to walk on my 2 legs. So I went back and got my trekking poles. So that kind of added about a quarter mile to back and forth to and from the trailhead to the car. So it's about a mile. I'm not at the creek yet, but we'll be there soon. Mount Rainier looks a little different today. Maybe because I'm a little earlier than last week. So at 1.4 miles on the watch, I can see the creek now, still running hard. I can see the top of Mount Rainier in the back. Beautiful. There you go. Behind that dead tree. So basically you walk along the creek for maybe less than 2/10 of a mile or maybe a quarter mile, who knows. And the trail diverge uphill away from the river. Well, here's a 2 miles check-in. That's what the watch says. It's about 457 feet in elevation gain so far. So still going uphill. So at about 2.5 miles, nearly an hour, I'm now at the car switchback with a rock wall, and that goes uphill. I think it's time for me to apply a layer of off because I feel bugs are bumping into my arms. So that's a telltale sign that it's time for them to wake up and have breakfast. So that was a quick stop, and got to put on my sweat stopper because I'm already sweating. Well, it's 3 miles check, almost 700 feet elevation gain. Okay, 4 miles check, thereabouts. I think we're almost at Round Pass, climbing 960 some odd feet elevation gain. Yeah, 4 miles, an hour and a half. So only 3 bikes this morning, so far anyways. Just leaving Round Pass on a new trail. I didn't do this trail last week because I took the main road, but I think it's early enough, and I think the trails are connected. Oh no! So I'm heading up to Gobbler's Knob, or toward Gobbler's Knob, and hopefully there's an intersection up there. And I think Lake George is up there. Hopefully there's some water for me to refill my bottle. So far 1,013 feet elevation gain. So we're still going up. I know I didn't stop long at the sign, but 0.9 miles from the trailhead there to Lake George campground. So that's not far. So this is Lake George camp. Guess I need to find some water to refill my bottle before I head up to Gobbler's Knob. So far it's almost 5 miles from where I started. 1,423 feet elevation gain. That's cool. There's a shelter right across the lake. I'm heading toward Gobbler's Knob. Not the plan I had in mind, but just gonna go see. This is a nice lake, nice view. 5.25 miles from the trailhead. Hey, 6 miles check. 2 hours and 35 minutes. 1,896 feet elevation gain. Still heading up to Gobbler's Knob. And yes, the trail is steep, akin to Klapatche Park. You may wonder, am I going to get to Klapatche Park like I plan to do? Honestly, I don't know. But that doesn't matter. I'm doing something new and I'm doing something that I love. Thanks for coming along. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It will help me out. That is if you are getting something out of this hike and also partially amused by my content. So at 6.15 miles on the watch, I came upon a lake on the way to Gobbler's Knob. So push come to shove, this can be your water source. You need to filter it for sure. Nice and cool. Don't want to stop long though. Bugs are ferocious. Probably need to apply another layer of off. Only 4 miles to go to Gobbler's Knob Lookout. 2 hours and 49 minutes. 2,196 feet elevation gain. 6.46 miles. Hey, I'm here at Gobbler's Knob. Finally. Across from Gobbler's Knob, Mount Rainier. Yep. And on the other side, oh, I kind of lost sight of it now. So let me go further up. Let me see if I can see Mount St. Helens, because I saw it right there. I think somewhere over here. Yeah. I think. Well, we'll get a better view. Yep. She's got a hat on. There she is, St. Helens. So that's inside the fire lookout. Room for 2 beds, a stove in the corner, fire extinguisher. Very nice. Well, that was nice and relaxing. It's a little after 11. It's time to head back down. This is a cool lookout. There you go. Well, back to Round Pass now. If I was gonna do Klapatche Park, I would hang a left here, resume the hike like I did last time. But I don't think I'm gonna go to Klapatche Park. I'm gonna head home. So from here, what, 4 miles, something like that, back to the trailhead. I hope you're not disappointed, and I hope you enjoyed the time lapse from the Gobbler's Lookout. I'm having a good time, and this is good training. Looks like it was 7 miles to Gobbler's Knob, so 14 miles total. So a good day. I'll get home and still have a whole bunch of time to do other things. So thanks for coming along and watch until now. If you like this video, please hit a like button, click subscribe. If you find this content entertaining. Well, it's 1:30. I'm back at the trailhead. Made good time. For some reason, the watch says 6.41 miles. 48 feet elevation gain. Made good time. The total time from leaving the Gobbler Snob was 2 hours and 21 minutes. And I'll see you on the next one.